Hello friends, in this video, bring you new beautiful themes on Chinese theme store for global devices. First theme has a beautiful dark mode icon pack. Available for all system app. The icon pack has the same style as iOS 18. Many features on lock screen of theme. Tap bottom bar to custom. Position of dynamic island. Theme wallpaper or import your wallpaper. This slot is your wallpaper. Import your wallpaper here. It will show here for selection. This to custom clock widgets. Custom widgets under clock. More settings of theme. Disable dynamic island. Dark mode or light mode. Swipe down to enter lock screen control center. Next, black gold dragon theme. With animation on lock screen, swipe to change lock screen style. Black and gold icon pack style. Apply all applications. Animated and home screen wallpaper. Charging animation. Next, Devil May Cry theme with multi-lock screen wallpaper. Touch here to change wallpaper. When change lock screen wallpaper, home screen wallpaper change too. Next, theme with Samsung One UI style. All of themes include my backup file and video description. You can use it to install themes on your global devices. If you don't know how to install theme via backup file, watch this video. This widget not of any theme if you want it. Watch this video, and you can get it. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next video coming soon.